Hey guys, welcome to the Magic Scheme 2 installation guide. The first thing you will need to do is, of course, to grab the files for the installation. So you can do that from the confirmation page, from the email you received right after the purchase, or you can access your user area on the store, where you can find the download section and the download button to download the zip file. I have already done it, and I've already decompressed the file to reveal the Magic Scheme 2 folder. It contains everything you need. This is the plugin itself. This is the link to the article on our support portal that will basically review the same information you're listening to. Then the read before installation contains the license for the file, and the manual installation we will see in just a minute. Being a modern UXP plugin, the installation is really easy. You just have to double-click on the CCX file, and you will see the Creative Cloud desktop will prompt you to install a No Marketplace plugin. Just click Install, and then you will need to grant a few permissions to the plugin to read and write files for the license on your device, and of course to access the internet to reach out for servers. Click OK, and the plugin is now installed, and you can open Photoshop right from here. You can find the plugin inside Photoshop in the Plugins panel, and also the plugin menu right here. Click to open it, and the first time you will need to activate using your license key, which you can find as well in your user area. You have a license tab. You can click copy on the license you want to use. Click on Activate Now here, and then paste and check the serial. In a few seconds, bam, the license is checked and the plugin is ready to be used. For some reason, you could not have access to the Creative Cloud desktop app, and the installation is still pretty simple. Just let me close it here and reset so that we make sure that the plugin is not installed. Let's remove it from the Creative Cloud, and then we can close this and proceed with the manual installation. Inside here, you will find a Magic Scheme 2 folder, and then I will need to find the folder for the Photoshop version I want to install it to. In this case, I would say Adobe Photoshop 2026. Let's go here. And of course, we are on Mac, so it's inside the Applications folder, but on Windows will be basically the same, just the placement of the folder will be different. Now just click on the Plugins folder and drag and drop this folder here. You will need to prompt your password as it's a system folder, but once done that, you can go back and open Photoshop again, and you will see that the plugin is here. Now, of course, right now is already activated because we did it before, but you can use it from here as well. Now, if you have any problem with the installation, feel free to reach out via email, or you can also use the support link that is present on the store. And here you can find the answers to your frequently asked questions and also open a ticket. I hope you enjoyed this video and hope you will enjoy your Magic Scheme too.